Hey guys, magandang araw po muli sa inyong lahat. It's me Vince once again from Vince Sarap. Today we're making this completely make-ahead mango sago recipe. No cream, no condensed, refreshing, satisfying. This is the perfect summer dessert. You'll love it. Okay, as I've said before, this recipe has no cream, no condensed milk, and we're going to make our own, the do-it-yourself creamer. It doesn't require any special ingredient, and this recipe is phenomenal. In a saucepan, we're going to pour milk, evaporated, whole fat, less fat, zero fat, any of those milk work. Add sugar and powdered milk, that's it. Using your whisk, stir and mix it evenly, and you're going to cook this by continuing stirring from anywhere between 8 to 10 minutes under medium to low flame setting. And if you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell for more upcoming and easy, delicious recipe. I post new videos every week. Alright, fast forward. After 10 minutes, we're going to transfer this mixture in a shallow container or in a bowl and let it sit. Let it cool completely, then chill it on the fridge.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired.
Meanwhile, in a 10 ml of water, pour enough amount of jelly powder using your whisk or spoon stir evenly until powder dissolve. And you're going to cook this while continuing stirring under medium flame setting. I've added sugar, only the measurement is in the description box below. Stir evenly until sugar dissolve. Then transfer in a bowl, let it cool completely before putting it in the fridge.
Girls a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger.
Alright, fast forward an hour and a half later, our milk mixture is ready. Give it a nice stir, and as you can see now, it becomes more creamy. Just set aside while we're preparing the mangoes and other ingredients.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some indecisive. I'm over fighting. I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone.
Alright guys, give it a one last stir to our milk mixture slash creamer. Transfer in the big bowl, add the diced jelly, the small sago pearl, sweet corn, and the diced mangoes. Add vanilla essence, mix it well, then we're done. Place it in the fridge, chill it, and it's ready to serve. Is it you guys? Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and tried this easy. No cream, no condensed milk, mango, sago dessert. Refreshing, satisfying, summer dessert. Don't forget to like, leave a comment below, share, and subscribe. Until then, God bless everyone and see you on my next video.